Hi, my name is Matthew Riley.
I'm Stephanie Riley, and we're building the Redford. I would say the best part of our experience so far is working with the staff here at Shaw Homes. They definitely have a lot of experience and share good information. Shaw Homes is really set apart by the experience and the history they have here in Tulsa. You can definitely tell that with the knowledge, and also all of the floor plans are very beautiful, well laid out, very thought out, and you can see a lot of those in the show homes that are available in different neighborhoods. So I feel like that sets you guys apart.
And you're able to build wherever you want, whatever city in Tulsa.
I would say you're definitely making the right decision. You have a lot of different options to customize, and you definitely have the staff to give you good advice.